W. Okay, and some extra who said to whom is given in the workbook, that you have to write in the workbook. Okay students, now first number, what is the meaning of the who said to whom? This is the lesson regarding the wind and the sun, right? So some statements speak to the wind and some statements speak to the wind also or sun, right? So what is the statement who said to whom? कौन बोलता है, किसको कहता है? कोई स्टेटमेंट ऐसा है कि जो विंड बोलता है और सन को कहता है, कोई स्टेटमेंट ऐसा है कि जो सन बोलता है और विंड को कहता है, राइट? ओके, shall we start? First number, I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. मैं वो इंसान का कोट तेरे से भी जल्दी उतार सकता हूँ. कौन बोलता है ये? तो सबसे पहले विंड बोलता है, राइट? सो वी हैव टू राइट द विंड सेड टू सन, और यू कैन राइट विंड टू सन. ओके, आप क्या लिखोगे? द विंड टू सन. अगर ऐसा नहीं लिखना है कि द विंड सेड टू सन, देन द विंड टू सन. ओके, ये एक एग्जांपल दिया है, बाकी सब में हम ऐसा लिखेंगे. सेकंड नंबर, आई विल लेट यू ट्राई फर्स्ट. मैं पहले ट्राई करता हूँ. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, जब कोई स्टेटमेंट है, जो कोई सेंटेंस है, जो कोई बोलता है, राइट, तो उसको हम लिखते हैं इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. एंड व्हेन द स्टेटमेंट इज ओवर, देन वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, right? So all the statement you have to write in the inverted comma, then the statement is over, then you do the inverted comma complete. Okay, now second number, I will let you try first. Who said this one? The wind. मैं पहले टर्न लूंगा. कौन बोलता है? The wind to sun, right? The wind said this statement to the sun. Third number, हाउ कोल्ड इट इज. कितनी ठंड है. कौन बोलता है ऐसा? तो बोलता है द मैन, राइट? अ मैन किसको बोलता है? टू हिमसेल्फ. अपने आप बड़बड़ाता है ना, वो और कोई नहीं है उसके साथ बोलने वाला है, तो हम लिखेंगे अ मैन टू हिमसेल्फ. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ नंबर, I give up, I cannot get his coat off. तो ये कौन बोलता है? मैं हार गया, मैं वो इंसान का कोट उतार नहीं सका, तो वो भी बोलता है the wind to sun. Right students? Okay. Now 5 number, I have won. मैं जीत गया. कौन बोलता है? The wind, sorry, the sun to wind. Sun wind को बोलता है, right? So here is the workbook part and page number it is 43. Look at here children, this is the who said to whom. I just read and explain you. First number, I get his coat off more quickly than you can. This one I have already explained, right? The wind said to the sun. Second number, I will let you try first. This also I have explained, the wind to the sun. Third number, how cold it is. It is also the man to himself, right? Fourth number, I cannot get his coat off. It is the wind to sun. 5 number, what a funny day. Who speak this statement? It is the man said to himself, right? Because firstly it is the cold atmosphere and then after it is the hot atmosphere, right? So okay, 6 number, I will make him feel hotter and hotter. This statement, who speak? It is the sun said to itself, right? 7 number, I must take off my coat. Who said this statement? It is the man said himself, right? 8 number, I have won. Who said this? The sun to wind. Okay students, Understand? Now look at here. This is the, turn the page all of you, and page number 44. Here option is given and you have to finish to read the lesson also, right? ये जो सारा दिया है ऑप्शन, आपको अच्छे से लेसन रीड करके फिल करना है. ओके. One day the wind and the sun had a competition. Here we write the wanted. They wanted to make a man take off his coat, right? First the wind blew hard. Then the man pulled his coat tightly around him. When the man feel the cold, then he pulled his coat tightly to wrap the body, right? Then the sun started shining hard, right? Okay. The man felt hot and he took off his coat. When the sun started shining hard, then the man feel hotter and he took off the coat. Okay. These are the related to the lesson. Okay, students. Now look at here, something new for in CW, and we have to complete the puzzle. Right? How do we complete the puzzle? Sometimes it is very difficult because sometimes in the examination we cannot identify the picture. Then today I give you the easy trick how to solve the puzzle. Right? Okay. Now look at here. Which picture is this? This is the bed. Right? So here we have to write the spelling. B-A-D, bed. Okay? Now this one is everyone knows it is the grapes, right? So G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Okay students? These two picture we cannot identify. हमको पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन सा पिक्चर है. ओके? तो हमको क्या करना है पहले? तो B-A-T मतलब 3 letters is there, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. Then firstly we have to find the 3 words. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the 4. No. 1, 2, 3. Yes. This is the 3. So firstly we have to write here B-A-T. Now this is the completed with the correct answer, right? Okay. Now 6 letters. Here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it is the 7, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is the exactly 6. So we have taken here grapes word here. Okay. So we write here G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Okay. 2 puzzle we have solved. Now what's about the 2? We cannot identify just I image this is the salt. Then what is the spelling of the salt? It is the S-H-I-R-T. But we have to take the word A. बीच में A आना चाहिए, ऐसा कोई स्पेलिंग होगा, राइट? तो ऐसा कौन सा स्पेलिंग है? फिर स्वेटर दिखता है तो स्वेटर तो स्पेलिंग लंबा हो जाता है. और क्या दिखता है? So this is the coat, right? So what is the spelling of the coat? C-O-A-T. Okay, completely match, right? Okay, now look at here. Last picture we cannot identify this one, but हमको क्या चाहिए? G चाहिए. तो कुछ वेजिटेबल्स जैसा दिख रहा है, राइट? तो हम देखते कि कॉलीफ्लावर है. नहीं, कॉलीफ्लावर का स्पेलिंग लिख के देखो, जी नहीं आएगा. फिर ऑरेंज जैसा भी नहीं दिख रहा है. सम लीफी वेजिटेबल जैसा है, तो लीफी वेजिटेबल कॉलीफ्लावर एंड कैबेज, राइट? सो हियर वी राइट C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Clear? Now we have solved our puzzle, right? That way you have to write here. Okay, what is this? This is the sun, right? This one is the well. Okay, this one is the eyes. This one is the lotus. And this one is the umbrella. Now students, Here we write S U N. Okay. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then W E double F. Okay. Now 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L O P U S. Right? And 8. U M B R E double L A. Okay. Which one is the left? Eyes. So E Y E S. Okay, students. That way you have to complete your puzzle. Now it is very easy for you. Okay, students. Have you understand? If you don't understand, then look video again and again. Okay. Bye bye.